Here are some super simple but very useful daily life hacks. Repurpose used tea bags. After brewing, dry them and place them in your fridge. They absorb odors naturally. Secure cables with a binder clip. Clip it onto your desk edge and thread cables through the handles. No more cables falling off. Color code your charging cables. Wrap colored tape around each one so you can quickly tell them apart, even in the dark. Stop pots from boiling over. Lay a wooden spoon across the pot's rim. Bubbles burst against it before spilling. Deodorize your cutting board with lemon. Rub half a lemon on the board, wait a few minutes, then rinse. Keep pillows and mattresses mold-free. Slip a silica gel pouch underneath to soak up moisture. Clean keyboard crevices. Dip a cotton swab in alcohol and gently swipe between keys. Fold a t-shirt in 2 seconds. Lay it flat, pinch at the shoulder and mid-body. Cross your hands and fold. It's done. Prevent watered-down coffee. Freeze leftover coffee into cubes. Use them instead of ice to keep your drink strong. Reduce eye strain with the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Keep produce fresh longer. Add a paper towel to your fridge's veggie bag to absorb moisture. Open tight jar lids with ease. Use a rubber pad for grip and twist. It opens much easier. Simple hacks, big difference.